These are the steps that I'll follow to simplify this expression. The first thing we're going to want to do is apply the operations to simplify my variables for x, y, and z, because there's nothing I can do with the 3/4. Remember, the rules of exponents say when you are dividing exponents, you're going to subtract the powers. So I'm going to have a 3/4 here, because I can't do anything to that. Here, -1 minus 4 is going to be an x to the -5th. 3 minus a -2, double negative, that's going to be a y to the 5th. -7 minus a -5, again, double negative. So therefore, -7 plus 5, which is going to be a z to the -5th power. Then the next thing I'm going to do is get rid of my negatives. Remember, anytime that you have a negative power, all you simply need to do is reciprocate it to rewrite it as a positive power. So I'll have my 3/4, and then this x to the -5th is now going to go in the denominator. My y to the 5th is going to remain in the numerator, and my z to the -5th is now going to go into the denominator. Again, now everything is being still raised to the -3rd power. To get rid of this negative, all I simply need to do, when you have a fraction raised to a negative power, to make it to be positive, all you simply need to do is reciprocate the fraction. So now I can rewrite this. We have a 4 x to the 5th, z to the 5th, divided by a 3 y to the 5th. Now I can rewrite it to the 3rd power. So now the last step that I'm simply going to do is apply this 3rd power. Since all of these terms are separated by multiplication, then what I'm simply going to do is now distribute this power to each and every one of these terms. Now, all I simply need to do is simplify. 4 to the 3rd power is going to be a 64. Remember, rules of exponents, x to the 5th raised to the 3rd power. You're just going to multiply the powers. 5 times 3 is going to be a 15. Z to the 5th raised to the 3rd power is going to be a z to the 15th power. 3 to the 3rd power, 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be a 27. Y to the 5th raised to the 3rd power is going to be a y to the 15th power. So therefore, I have everything is now going to be x to the 15th, z to the 15th, y to the 15th.